Being in 20s and in the college at the same time adds so much of advantages in your life. You can do mistakes, learn from those mistakes, take risks and can build the road of success in your life. You can do multiple of things to learn and earn both simultaneously. Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss top 10 relevant and practical ideas to earn and learn both at the same time. But before starting, if you are new on the channel, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Watch this video till last to get some of the interesting and some insightful ideas. So let's get started. Number 10, doing paid internship. Paid internship can be one of the best way to earn and learn. Once you start doing internship, you get to learn how things work outside the classroom. You learn about corporate environment and so many things under the guidance and supervision of senior people. At the same time, you can earn enough money to have your pocket money to save and to sponsor your travel. Doing paid internship also helps to build up your profile. So start looking for paid internship opportunity. In number 9, we have freelancing. Freelancing also can be one of the good option. Learn any of the highly scalable skills like video editing, graphic designing, web development, or any of the skills in which you have interest. You can use some of the good platform for freelancing like Fiverr, Upwork. Number 8, giving tuition. Giving tuition to the student also can be one of the good option for earning and learning. In this lockdown period, you have option to go for online tuition, but also in the normal situation, you can go for taking or giving home tuition. You can earn good amount per month by giving home tuition to the student. Even I used to give home tuition during my first year. In number 7, starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a great deal for you. Initially, you do not need much investment. If you have a phone with good quality of camera, you are all set to start a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel in a specific niche, make videos, upload the video and can earn good amount. This sounds so simple, but believe me, starting a YouTube channel and earning from YouTube channel is really tough and challenging. The journey from starting a YouTube channel to earning amount or to earning can be really challenging, but you can learn so many things. Once you have a good number of audience, you can start earning good amount. Initially, you can start YouTube part-time, but once you grow, once your audience grow, you figure out things, you can continue YouTube as your career. Number 6, blogging. If you are good at writing and have good command over language, then blogging can be very good options for you. Initially, you need to do little bit investment between 3,000 to 5,000 to set up your own website. Once your website is set up, you are good to go for your blogging. Number 5, selling your own course or ebook. If you are good at something, then you can create your own course and sell it in different platforms like Udemy, Skillshare. You also can create an ebook and sell it in different platforms. The interesting part is you do not need investment at all to create your book or your course. You can use available free tools and services to create your own book or ebook like Canva. Number 4, setting up stall in college event. College event like Fest, Carnival, Conclave can be one of the best way to earn money and learn. You need to do some investment, set up a good looking stall and sell your product and you can earn good return. You can earn good amount of good profit. You can start it alone or do it alone, or you have option to do it in a partnership with your friends. You can set up a stall of food or game or anything that attract the crowd. Talking about my personal experience, usually different and multiple events happens in my college. So many of us set up stalls like food stall or game stall or many different other stalls. Usually the investment is between 5k, sometimes it exceeds more than 5k, but still it gives good return. Number 3, self-employed. In recent days, the scope of photography and videography has been widely increased so far. So if you are interested in photography and videography and have some skills, then you can look for this option to be self-employed. But there are different other options in which you can be self-employed. Number 2, starting your own business. You can start your own business which needs very less amount of capital, minimum amount of time and minimum amount of people. Printed t-shirt business can be one of the best options. You can customize designs in t-shirt and print them and sell them online. Similarly, there can be different other Finally, the number one, investing. You need to have a bank account and a demand account, and you are all set to start investing in IPO. You can invest in IPO just from 1000 rupees. Investing in share or IPO in 20s can be one of the best way, can be one of the best start. Initially, you can start investing in IPO and then you can learn about primary market, secondary market, and if you feel confident, then you can enter into the secondary market. So these were top 10 practical and relevant ideas that you can start doing to learn and earn in the college time, both simultaneously. But before starting any idea, you need to do proper study, make a proper plan, effectively implement it, and then you need to do consistently hard work and smart work to get the result. I hope you guys love this video. If you guys enjoy this video, then hit the like button and share with your friends and family so that they can learn about these top 10 ideas to learn and earn both at the same time. And if you are new on the channel, do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Signing off, Ashish Gupta. Thank you.